Here at Tentsla, we value family time. That's why we invented Tentsla, your perfect family camping trip tent alternative that fits perfectly in the trunk of your Tesla. Hey to all you Tesla owners and camping lovers out there. It's Adam here, founder of Tentsla. I'm very excited to introduce to you our new Tentsla X1 tent. We wanted to design something simple and easy to assemble. It's also weather resistant and provides shade and warmth, so it can be set up with just an air pump, making it perfect for the glamping experience. Tesla has recently announced its camp mode, with AC and temperature control, optimized for living in your car. But we thought, why not take it to the next level? Why not extend your car into a tent? That way you can enjoy camping outside while making the most of Tesla's camp mode. The Tentsla X1 is designed with two connection doors, one being a normal wall designed for wind shielding, the other being a connection tunnel with Velcro, so that it perfectly attaches to the trunk of your Tesla. Our highly skilled team of designers and technicians work tirelessly to ensure the production is to the highest quality. They hand produce from scratch, using carefully sourced raw materials to ensure the tent is extremely durable under all weather conditions. The triple layers in aviation-grade fabric provide heat reflection and impeccable water resistance up to 3,000 millimeters. We designed it so it's perfect for camping, whether it's in sunny Florida days or brisk Yosemite winters. The tunnel design is optimized to make sure the AC coming from the car circulates directly into the tent, while also providing plenty of room for friends and family to share. We also want to say this is not a perfect product. This is just our first product, so there might be some design flaws. But we're open to all suggestions, and we can make some design changes when necessary to really make this tent a Tesla owner's essential.